Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shelby, and today we are going to be making over this, which is a mirror. I'm gonna put it backwards because it's gonna reflect the lights and flash the camera and all that. But it's a round mirror with just like a little bit of rope hanging, and I had this in my bathroom for a while because I had like a nautical theme decor for the bathroom, and this reminds me of a portal from a boat, just like a little boat window. And so I had it in there for a while and I loved it. I'm changing up the decor and I thought I would change up this mirror. I got this from the impulse section of Target. I think it was like $3 or $5, but you guys know when you just walk in, it's just that little section there. So keep your eye out for like fun little mirrors in there. I loved this one. I had it up for like 2 years, but it's time to change it up. So I am going to hopefully change the shape a little bit with like some ribbons and like just added, sparkle and flowers and gems, and make it like a really cool, I don't know, like elegant mirror, but like not your typical mirror. So I'm thinking like crusted gems down here and then like building like a feature with like ribbon or fabric or something so that it changes the shape and it's not quite circle. I don't 100% have it worked out in my head yet what I want to do, but I'm really excited to do it and I am excited to bring you guys along. So if you like this craft, let me know by hitting that thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe if you want to see more crafts and join me for future adventures, and let's get going.
So the first thing that I want to do is get the shape of my mirror, and I have this kind of gold copper ribbon, and I thought that would be a good item to use to do that. So instead of like putting more metal or plastic or anything on there, I'm actually just going to create like this dripping gold kind of pattern shape just with the ribbon. So I'm using hot glue to attach it to the back. There's really not a whole lot of weight on here, and I am kind of twisting it in a way that holds a shape that I want. You can see it just creates this kind of like melting gold effect, but right now it's very much just behind the mirror. So now that I have the base shape, I've flipped the mirror over and I'm going to be gluing it over the top as well. So it's not just something that's coming off the back of the mirror, it's like dripping down from the front. And when I have basically most of the ribbon in a shape that I find pleasing, I'm going to bring the ribbon up the side of the mirror, just again with hot glue. And this is just going to add some continuity so it looks like the ribbon is part of the whole structure of the mirror and not necessarily just something that was added on. It kind of looks like it's part of the frame and it like comes down into the melting of it. So this is the mirror prep. It's basically just getting the shape that I want. And then we're going to move on to adding some gems. So we are taking our gems and just laying them out. I've got a couple different kinds here. I have these giant ones that are meant to be embroidered onto like shirts and fabrics and things. And then I have my usual really shiny iridescent low level ones. And I'm using both of them and I'm just attaching them with hot glue. I'm trying to take a cue from the shape that I made the ribbon. So I kind of want it to be like encrusted, falling down the edge or border of the mirror, and then kind of get heavier with the jewels and encrusting in the part of the ribbon where it looks like it's dripping off the mirror, just so it kind of looks like it's part of the design of the mirror rather than something added. So mainly I'm relying on the shape to do that. I'm adding in a ton of different colors, mainly just because I want to be able to put this mirror anywhere I want it, and having a multitude of colors on there allows that. Like if I put it in a room with blue in there, there's a blue gem on the mirror, it's going to pick that up and it's going to go with it. If I want something a little bit softer, I've got the whites in there, I've got pinks and lavenders, and when I'm all done and I have all of the gems exactly where I want, I'm going in with a dry bristle brush just to clean up any hot glue threads that are left, and then removing the original twine kind of top string that held the mirror up to begin with, and I'm all done, and here's the close-up. So this is a close-up of what all those beautiful gems look like, just surrounding the mirror, and then the lovely ribbon and the shape it gives it, and I think it's beautiful, and I hope you do too. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.